In this video, I want to talk about what ink cartridges are compatible with the Canon Pixma TS7720. So let's get started. The ink cartridges are located right over here. Usually when the printer is turned on, they'll be presented to you. And there's a few options that are available to you. So let me just show you over here. These are the cartridges that come included with the printer. So for the color ink cartridge, because these are two, color and black ink, for the color one, you need the Canon CL286. This is the basic version, but it also comes in the 286 XL. So the XL will cost more, but will allow you to print up to 400 pages. This basic CL286, the non-XL version, prints around 180 prints. So depending what's your budget and how much do you print, could be useful to get the XL. And I'll put links in the description towards Amazon in case you want to purchase these ink cartridges. For the black ink, you'll need the Canon PG285. Again, this is the basic version, and you also have the 285 XL that will print a lot more. And now, obviously, these are the genuine Canon ink cartridges that I recommend, but you can also go aftermarket, which cost less. Okay, obviously everybody knows those aftermarkets ink cost less and could also be as good as these ones. I have nothing against them. It's really a hit and miss. Sometimes they're good, sometimes they print less and it's not that great. So it's up to you. I'll put links towards those as well in case you want to save a few bucks and try by yourself. But overall, this is what you need in your Canon TS7720 printer. Thanks for watching. Again, check my Amazon links down below, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.